Sensitive digital evidence warrants attention from the designated officers who can take necessary actions on the undergoing changes. In VIDIZMO DEM, once a user has been authorized to flag content, they can subscribe to a list of events applicable to evidence or case that they have access to within the portal. In this video, we will be looking at subscribing to alerts on flagged evidence files in VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. From the portal homepage, click on your username on the top right corner and select Notification Settings. From the notification screen, you can manage notification settings for global, flagged evidence, and flagged case. The Global section contains general settings related to workflow processing, evidence feedback, etc. The Flagged Evidence section contains alerts that apply to all types of digital evidence such as image, audio, video, document. By the way, VIDIZMO DEM provides you the flexibility of setting a different policy for each type of digital evidence. The Case section contains alerts that are applicable on cases within the portal, such as when evidence is added to a case, or when a case's access rights have changed. Once you set your default notification preferences, you do not need to set preferences for every evidence or case when you flag them. However, in the absence of a default policy, you will be asked to set preferences at the time of flagging. To receive preferred email notifications, click on the overflow menu of the evidence that you wish to flag and select the flag option to flag it. From the notification settings, you can subscribe to all available events for selected evidence by toggling on Enable All button. Alternatively, you can only subscribe to the events of your choice by clicking on Save as Default Settings if you want to save these settings for all flagged evidence. Once you're done, VIDIZMO DEM will remember these settings, so you do not need to manage these settings every time while flagging a case or evidence. Click on the Update button once you're done. To unflag an evidence, click on the Overflow menu of the flagged evidence and select Unflag from the menu. By the way, you would only need to change the portal view from evidence to case to flag or unflag a case. VIDIZMO allows you to flag or unflag evidence and case in bulk. From the portal's homepage, select Evidence in Bulk and select Flag from the menu. When you flag evidence in bulk, you will be able to set a policy on all selected evidence types. The resulting notification preference pop-up will indicate different sections for different types based on your selection, such as video and audio. To view flagged content, select Flagged from the navigation menu available on the left side of your DEM portal. Here, you can manage flagged content by centrally supervising all the confidential content from one section, toggling views to manage flagged cases and evidence separately, sorting sensitive files based on various parameters such as when was it last modified, etc. To update the notification policy for already flagged evidence or case, navigate to the Flagged section to view all flagged cases and evidence. From the Notifications Preferences, click on the Edit icon against the evidence for which you need to update the notification policy. From the Notification Configuration screen, you can update the notification preferences. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.